Costa Rica just so happens to be home to one of the last remaining tropical cloud forests in the entire world. The Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve sits practically dead center between the country's Pacific and Caribbean coasts, offering up a wilderness location that is unlike any other that is found there. There are nearly a dozen trails to choose from inside Monteverde, but the Sendero Bosque Nuboso is probably the most scenic. That tends to make it the busiest as well, although the crowds tend to thin as you walk deeper into the forest. Just 1.2 miles in length, the trail can be challenging in spots and includes more than 200 feet of elevation gain. Allot about an hour and a half to complete the hike, which includes an opportunity to spot the Continental Divide while en route.